Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Cardano video update for Monday 11th of July. Right, so what is Cardano moving heading into? We didn't see a lot of movement from Cardano right now. Even Bitcoin didn't make a lot of movement to continue higher, which actually tells me that Cardano it would be really interested to continue with its journey to actually go all the way down to the 0.18 dollar. And if you're new and if you're actually freaked out with what are you saying 0.18, is because you still are not taking this bear flag. Okay, simple put, no personal opinion, it's just logic applied. That was your bear flag, and you're looking for a continuation from there to there in the future for Cardano to actually come down to 0.19, 0.18ish. Okay, that's a bear flag, right? So if you somehow break the bear flag, and that's when I'm gonna actually flip my opinion about the technical target to go to the downside. The story is not done yet. You can even see that if you watch today's Bitcoin update in a lengthy, detailed manner, you're just gonna understand that I've been saying that Bitcoin is not surviving at all. Okay, if it did make a double bottom, which is a bullish pattern, but still the neckline was broken but not successfully retested, and now you've already lost the neckline of Bitcoin to continue higher. So Bitcoin is in a bad position. We haven't seen a lot of movement from Cardano. It's just a very painful movement moving forward. So one thing I want to see is, let's say you do actually come down here to that price level, which is going to be 2064, maybe 1964. I just want to see if there's any support moving forward for Cardano. So you can see there could be a little bit of support somewhere here. That's where I reckon you might have a little bit of support at the 1.4. So you might come down here and still continue all the way down to the 1.4, 1.5 level, because that's where you have weekly support right now. Okay, so one touch, second touch, and the third touch right there. So if you lose this one as well, then the next one that I do actually can say is the last final point is going to be the 0.09 level, which is going to be here. Now this one also has an influence right there. So the first one is this one, and the second one is going to be that one as well. And that's it for this update on Cardano. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.